Okay, PJ. This says professor. I do number 10 first because it's on the page first. Professor gives a physics test consisting of 25 quizzes. This is the formula for his grade, where X is the number of correct answers, and G of X is the student's grade. So he answers 15 correctly. So G of X equals 3X plus 25. So G of 15 equals 3 times 15 plus 25. And I think that's 45. 3, 9, 5, 6, 3, 1, 3, 4, yeah. Plus 25. 5, 5, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a 70. Okay? So that's A. Then it says, how many questions was Belinda answer correctly to receive a grade of 88? So that means this part right here is going to be equal to 88. That's going to be the final total. So we don't know how many questions, so we're just going to solve for X. So this is a normal solving an equations problem, where you would have to do the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. So I'm going to subtract 25 here. You always do your addition and subtraction first. 25 minus 25 is 0. Bring that down. Bring down your equal sign. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then divide both sides by 3. And I think this is 21. 3 times 1 is 3 times, yeah. So X is equal to 21. So she must answer 21 questions correct to get an 88 on the test. Okay? If you have any questions, just go ahead and text them to me. Let me get to the second question. Okay, so you said work number 9. Okay, in recent years, the number of people in the United States who are 100 years or older can be estimated by this function, where this, I don't see the rest of the question. What is the question? Okay, let me see if I can find that at the top of this one. Oh, I cropped it. Let me uncrop it. Okay, so I reset it. It's at the top of here. Let me look at it from my phone because I messed up here. Uh, so here's the function, and it says find P of 2010. So that means where I have a T, I'm going to put, so T is the year. So this 1.32 times 2010. Let me use that for minus that. Okay, so I just, where I have a T, that's where I put the 2010. And then I'm going to use a calculator. 1.32 times 2010. And then that's minus 2589.5. So it is 63.7. The number of people in the U.S. who are 100 years or older can be estimated by this. So this is 63.7 people in 2010. Then it says find P of 2020. See, I think people are living longer, so let's see what that gives us. 1.32 times 2020 minus 2,589.5. And you can put these in a calculator yourself because sometimes I'll not be seeing good. Times 2020 and then minus 2,589.5. So it's in 2020 is 76.9, which makes sense because the life expectancy is bigger. Use the function to estimate when the number of people 100 years or older will reach 100,000. So that means I'm going to set this to uh, 100,000. So let's see if it even happens. So P of T is going to be 100,000, and that's equal to 1.32 times T. You can take my stuff out of there. Minus 2589.5. And so I'm going to add this to each side. No, it was 100,000. I just for a kid that I'm tutoring. So I'm going to go up here. So I got, well, 12. 102589.5 equals 1.32 T. And then divide both sides by 1.32, and that'll tell you the year. Just solving an equation. So this is the year where you'll have 77719.3. So that would be when you would have it. That's the year. All right.